What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Christmas Scrooge. Alright guys, so this guy is pretty cool. I saw this on the drop for the Christmas, and I know I saw it like a couple months ago, and I was like, that's really cool. It's gonna be my one like Christmas pickup. I usually try to always do one, and I liked the Skeleton Santa last year, so I think we're gonna go for more of like a Halloween and Christmas hybrid again. Of course, we'll have our regular Christmas stuff like Santa, but I bought both of the Art the Clowns, like the Party City one and the Spirit Halloween one. I think I'm gonna keep the Spirit one for like actual Halloween. And then I think I'm going to customize the Party City one into a Santa one, like Terrifier 3 has. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to get taken out is the base. Looks pretty good quality. Not great, but not bad either. And then we also have what I believe to be some leg poles on the side. Right here we have an arm. The leg foam, no, the arm foam actually, it feels a little bit like pancaked, but hopefully it shouldn't be bad. Right here we have the instructions, regular paper instructions. This is what I assume to be leg foam. Here we do have some actual legs. This is most likely a back frame, but you never know because they're putting frames everywhere nowadays. We do have a hip area. With actually one support on this side, which is weird. I think there'd be like either no supports or one on each side, but I'm not complaining, it's still a support. Right here we have what is the top of his little staff thing. Not a staff, but like like a cane, kind of. This is a very weird material, and I actually really like what it looks like. But yeah, his hand is really cool. Right here we have his candle, which looks really real. Actually, it looks like a treat. Like, it actually looks like something I want to eat. It looks really good. And also, I know that really sounds weird, but this actually also lights up on the top. Right here we have his shoes. Very good quality. Not gonna break whatsoever. Right here we have the shoulder frame. Yeah, the mechanism up here to turn the head looks pretty good. Definitely all metal. I don't know if this guy has any other animations other than a head turn, but yeah, it looks really, really good. And I hope the speaker is the same booming as last year on the Skeleton Santa. Alright guys, so right here we have his head. Not deformed at all, thank God. It actually has a lot of detail. It looks like almost something like distortions, not that quality, but like almost there. And it looks, yeah, it looks a lot better in person. The detail around his eyes are absolutely amazing. And also, I just love like how it looks. It looked almost like in the photos, like a copy of the Gravedigger from Home Depot, but it's definitely not. Definitely love the way this looks. Right here we have another part of the staff. I assume this is the middle pole. I assume there's still one more that we have to get out. I'm not sure where it is though. And the last thing is going to be all the clothing. Here is his hat, which is going to go up. So yeah, this will look really good during the day. It won't look too like overly scary, but you can tell it's a little more ominous than the other ones. That's what I like about him. He's not like Halloween scary, but you know, like it gives off that effect. We have his pants, which are a little bit dirty. They seem to be very, very good quality, kind of like the Pennywise from Spirit Halloween. Very, very good quality. Awesome, because Home Depot's quality in the clothing has not been the best this year. Right here we have a scarf, what it looks to be. And finally we have his shirt, which I absolutely freaking love. All like the snow pieces on it look like amazing. Like I actually really, really like this clothing. Yeah, the snow stuff on it, this just like, this really does look awesome. Like the little buttons And then on the inside, I think this thing's gonna look absolutely great. But yeah, I'm so excited to put this guy together. So that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. Alright guys, so here we have him all set up. He looks really freaking good. Let's plug him in.
Everyone is being so cheerful. Bah! Now they're singing together? Humbug! Don't spill your kindness and compassion onto me. What is with all of these festivities? Does anyone want to work anymore? And who do you think is going to pay the electricity bill? Turn those lights off. All this goodwill towards my fellow man nonsense? Nonsense! Ooh, and all this infernal carol singing, all this happy merrymaking has driven me to madness. Shoo! Away from me! What is that insulting smell? Fruitcake? Gingerbread cookies? Bleh! How disappointing! Thanks, but I'd rather eat soggy cardboard. Bah! Cut it out with all the sugar and sparkles, would you? All these companies giving additional days off and Christmas bonuses? Bah! You expect to start at the top and retire instead of working your way up like I did? You folks are just lazy. Send out the eviction notices tomorrow. I don't care if it is Christmas. They should have thought about that and paid on time. It isn't personal, it's just business. Bah! Ah, humbug! Ah! Bah!
Alright guys, so that was the Scrooge from Home Depot. This guy is really cool. I think he's definitely going to work good for what I'm doing this year. If you are doing a kind of like scary Christmas type thing like I'm doing this year, I think this is a great addition to what you're going to be doing. I'm going to have a pretty good Christmas display this year. The only one I'm struggling with, I think I'm going to make Darth Vader and Yoda go during the day just because I think they're not like scary or anything. This guy definitely will be a nighttime thing though. I'm going to have to put a light on him because, I mean, he doesn't really light up other than that candle and people won't be able to see his face. Skeleton Santa has some very, very crazy eyes. They light up really bright, but this guy really doesn't, which I like. It makes him look a lot more realistic. This guy was $200. Not a bad price at all, about where it should be, in my opinion. Yeah, I think he's a great prop, and I think if you want him, you should definitely get him, because, I mean, it's not anything overpriced, and I think his quality is pretty good, and I think he will last. Last year with the Skeleton Santa, actually, some days I woke up in the morning and he actually had like frost on his arms in his costume. And I think that would look awesome with this guy. So yeah, so excited to have this guy and have my Christmas display be a little bigger this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will leave a link to my merch store and I'll also leave a link if you would like to purchase this guy. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.